Hey beautiful people, it's your favorite realtor Rickita. I am back with another property, a beautiful new construction home. This is nice and cozy. I showed you one that's very similar to this. We are in Winter Haven right now. The one I showed you was actually in Haines City. You can get this in multiple cities because it's just a model. So if you guys are interested in this, definitely give me a call. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And this builder is actually offering up to $20,000 in closing cost credit. So this is really nice because you can use that to pay down your interest rates. You can have a better interest rate, or you can just use it for your closing costs. So definitely let me know if you love this property. It's very, very cozy and nicely put together. You guys are going to have a nice size yard here, which is something I really like. And remember, this one is actually in Winter Haven, so your yard may be it may be a different size yard depending on where you're at. I can't seem to talk today, but definitely give me a call, you guys. 407-374-2747. If you guys have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them for you. So this right here is the owner suite. So very, very beautiful. So yeah, this one is very, very beautiful. And they actually have a tub here, which is really nice. I have a client that really wants to have a tub. So this one is actually really nice. And here is the closet. So if you like this one, definitely let me know. I'll be happy to show this one to you or any other homes. Check out the different homes that I have on this tour page that you can see on YouTube. This tour playlist. And I'll be happy to show you guys this. My phone number is 407-374-2747. I'll see you guys in the next video.